Integral 0 to 1 by 2 x into sin inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. When we have sin inverse and root 1 minus x square, we will consider t to sin inverse x. T is equals to sin inverse x, dt is equals to 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx. So what is x here? If t is sin inverse x is equals to sin t. This inverse comes here, becomes sin. Now limits are there, so we'll get one. We have to consider one box: lower limit, upper limit. Values are in terms of x, 0 and 1 by 2. Now the values are in terms of t. Sin inverse 0. T sin inverse 0 means sin 0 is 0. Sin inverse half. Sin 30. 30 means pi by 6. 0 to pi by 6. So I is equals to integral 0 to pi by 6 into x sin t into sin inverse x, which is t, 1 by root over 1 minus x square is 1 dt. Now according to Euler form, this is algebraic, this is trigonometry, at. So we have to write in order first. Now UV form. U integral v dx minus integral bracket d by dx of u into integral v dx bracket close dx. So what we will get? U integral v dx minus integral bracket d by dx of u integral of v dx bracket close dx. So wherever we have these values 0 to pi by 6 we will consider. At the end we will substitute the value. T into sin t integral is minus cos t. Derivative of t is 1. Sin is minus cos dt. Now minus into minus is plus. This is minus t cos t 0 to pi by 6 plus integral cos t sin t, which is 0 to pi by 6. Now we have total 0 to pi by 6 minus t cos t plus sin t, bracket minus bracket. So in the first bracket substitute pi by 6 in place of t, then 0 in place of t. Cos 30 sin 30 pi root 3 by 2l plus 1 by 2. This is the answer for I. So maybe you may face any difficulty in this one. So for that, sin inverse 0. Sin inverse 0 is sin 0. You got 0. Suppose t is equals to sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse, sin how much is 1 by 2? Sin 30. So this is pi by 6. In this way we got this one. So what we have to do, when you find question with sin inverse and root 1 minus x square, you can consider t as sin inverse x, then x as sin t, then differentiate both sides, then find limits. Afterwards substitution method, same as integrations. 0 to pi by 2 1 by 4 plus pi cos x dx. So first what we'll do, when we have denominator cos term or sin term, in types you have done na, in type 1 what we have, if numerator contain 1s and denominator contain sin and cos, we'll convert this one in tan. Same thing we'll do here also. Integral 0 to pi by 2 1 dx divided by 4 plus 5 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Then integral 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by 4 plus 5 minus 5 tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2. Then LCM 0 to pi by 2 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is cross multiplied, 4 plus 4 tan square x by 2 plus 5 minus 5 tan square x by 2. This comes to the numerator and becomes 1 minus tan square is secant square divided by 4 tan square minus 5 tan square. 4 plus 5 9 minus 1 tan square x by 2. Now whatever value remains, secant and tan are there, so t is equals to tan x by 2. Then we will find dt, secant square x by 2, inner function x by 2 derivative. 2 is cross multiplied. See, those who are good at integration, they can only understand this one. Others, they may not get this. So 2 dt, because limits are there, lower limit, upper limit, the values are in terms of x 0 to pi by 2. Now the values are in terms of t. T is tan x by 2. Tan 0 by 2, tan 0, 0, tan pi by 2 by 2, tan pi by 4, that is 1. So I is equals to integral 0 to 1, secant square x by 2 dx is 2 dt divided by 9 minus t square. 2 is outside, 0 to 1, 1 dt by 3 square minus t square. So what we have, integral 1 by a square minus x square dx equals to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. So here 2 into 1 by 2a log mod, here a is 3, x is t, a plus x by a minus x plus c, or 0 to 1. 1 by 3 log 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 log 3 plus 0 by 3 minus 0. So first we will substitute upper limit, then lower limit by taking minus sign. This is 1 by 3 log 4 by 2 is 2. 1 by 3 log 3 by 3 is 1. So answer is 1 by 3 log 2 minus 1 by 3 into log 1 is 0. So this is 1 by 3 log 2. So what we have done, by seeing denominator single trigonometric value cos or sin, convert in terms of tan. This is the previous method itself, only limits are extra given to us. From here onwards, 3-4 questions are there. If you are good in this, you can easily do one question in final exam. From here onwards, integral x by 1 plus sin x dx. What we will do, 0 to a, integral 0 to a f of x dx equals to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. In previous problem, we have this 0 to pi by 2, but we have not used this logic because numerator contains 1, denominator contains sin and cos term. We will consider tan. Here x is there, so we will consider 0 to a property. So 0 to pi, x becomes pi minus x Because of the property x becomes a minus x. A is pi, so pi minus x. 1 plus sine pi minus x. Sine 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is sine theta. Dx as it is. This is second equation. Denominator is common in 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, left hand side 1i plus 1i is 2i, 0 to pi and 1 plus sin x is common. 1 plus sin x 0 to pi and dx is common. So x plus pi minus x, we have to add the numerators. Minus x plus x cancelled. This pi comes outside. 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. 1 plus sin x convert in tan, or else what we can do, in spite of converting in tan, we'll just convert this one, we'll rationalize this 1 plus sin x. Exercise, integration, first exercise, last problem, same problem, you have to rationalize this one. Pi integral 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x dx. One minus sin x by 1 square minus sin square cos square dx. Now pi integral 0 to pi 1 by cos square is secant square, sin by cos square is secant into tan. How? See, sin x by cos square x is there. You can write 1 by cos x into sin by cos x. Cos into cos is cos square. So in that way, what we have to do? 1 by cos square is secant square, sin by cos square you can remember secant and tan. Now integral secant square x, tan x, integral secant and tan x, secant x. Pi is there for both, so pi is given to this also, 0 to pi. Pi into tan pi minus pi into secant pi, bracket minus bracket. Pi into tan 0 minus pi into secant 0. Tan pi is 0, secant pi is secant pi minus 1. You can remember these values. Tan 0 is 0, secant 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1, that's why secant 0 is 1. Pi plus pi is 2 pi. 2i answer we got. 2i is equals to 2 pi. So 2 to cancel, I is equals to pi. Check once again, we have to apply the property a minus x. Wherever x is there, you can take pi minus x. Then we got denominator common, adding 1 and 2, you will get 2i. Once you got 2i, numerator cancelled and 1 by 1 plus sin x. So we have rationalized this one. Afterwards, it's common question of integration. This is equation 1. So what we have? Same property, 0 to a f of x, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Means what? Wherever x is there, we'll take a minus x. A is pi. So pi into integral pi into, not pi into, integral 0 to pi, pi minus x into sin cube pi minus x by 1 plus cos square pi minus x. 0 to pi, pi minus x into sin 180 minus theta is sin theta by 1 plus cos pi minus x is minus cos x, because it has square, it is positive only. This is second one. I value before property and I value after applying the property. We have two I values. Now what you have to check? We have denominator and 0 to pi. These are common things, so we'll add 1 and 2. Adding numerators, x sin cube x plus pi sin cube x minus x sin cube x. These two cancelled. Integral 0 to pi into sin cube x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now we have sin cube, so we can convert sin cube into sin square into sin cube. So we can write this one as integral 0 to pi is outside, sin x into sin square x into sin x dx divided by 1 plus cos square x. Now we can write this one as one plus cos square x. What you have to remember? When sin cube is given, sin square into sin, then sin square is changed as 1 minus cos square. Now cos square and one single sign means substitution method. T is equals to cos x, dt is equals to minus sin x. Limits are there, lower limit, upper limit. Cos 0 is 1, cos pi is minus 1. So integral 1 to minus 1. See, lower is 1, upper is minus 1. 1 minus t square into minus dt sin x dx. So this minus comes here, divided by 1 plus t square. Now this minus sign, one more property of integral, minus a to b is given to us, so that becomes b to a. If we are applying minus to any integral value, limits will change. So lower becomes upper, upper becomes lower. Here also same thing. If this minus sign I am applying to integral, so this becomes minus 1 to 1, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now we have many methods. One, splitting them. Now I split first one. 1 by 1 plus t square minus t square by 1 plus t square. T square by 1 plus t square. I am dividing them. Subtracting them, minus 1. So minus 1 to 1, 1 by 1 plus t square minus of q plus r by d. 1 plus of minus 1 by 1 plus t square. 1 minus 1 by 1 plus t square. This value after division. Because minus is there, we will subtract them. By 1 plus t square minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus t square. Pi is there outside. Two by 1 plus t square minus 1. Pi into 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse t minus pi into t is pi t minus 1 to 1. So we will substitute 1 here, then minus of, we will substitute minus 1 here. 2 pi pi by 4 pi minus 2 pi minus pi by 4 plus pi. This is pi square by 2 minus pi plus pi square by 2 minus pi. 2 pi square by 2 minus 2 pi. Pi square minus 2 pi. This is the value for 2i. I is equals to pi square by 2, 2 pi by 2. So I is equals to pi square by 2 minus pi. Check it out once again. Sin cube is there. Check this one now. Sine cube is there, we have to write 0 to pi is there, we have to apply the property. After applying the property, we find denominator common. So we have added them. After cancellation, whatever left off, we find sine cube. So sine cube can be written as sine square into sine, and sine square can be changed as 1 minus cos square. Then t is equals to cos, substitution method. Afterwards division we have done, then substitution. So applying limits at the end. Follow 2-3 times, you will get it. Those who have not followed the previous one, they can understand this, you will get easily. So what we have here? 0 to pi. So we will apply the property 0 to a f of x. 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Pi minus x sin pi minus x. Cos square pi minus x. Sin 180 minus is sin only. Cos 180 minus is minus cos, because square is there, you will get cos. This is second one. First one. Both denominators are same, adding first and second. So I plus I is 2i. 0 to pi, numerators we are adding x sin x plus pi minus x sin x. 1 plus cos square x as it is. These two cancelled. Now we got integral 0 to pi 0 to pi sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x dx. Clearly substitution method. So t is equals to cos x. dt is minus sin x dx. So minus comes here. Minus dt is equals to sin x dx. Because it has limits, we will take lower limit, upper limit box, x values 0 to pi. Now value are in terms of t. Cos 0 is 1, cos pi is minus 1. Integral 1 to minus 1. Lower is 1, upper is minus 1. Pi is outside. Sin x dx is minus dt. 1 plus cos square, 1 plus t square. Minus pi into 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse t. Or you can do one thing. If you don't want to write like this, first write this minus sign, you can apply to integral. This 1 becomes minus 1 becomes 1. This is dt by 1 plus t square. Pi into 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse t. Plus c we are not taking, minus 1 to 1. Then we will take two brackets. In first bracket we will substitute 1. In second bracket we will substitute minus 1. So this is tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Minus into minus, minus we write as it is, pi into tan inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 4. So we have pi square by 4 plus pi square by 4. I is equals to 2 pi square by 4. I is equals to pi square by 4 is the answer. So here, see, you don't have third and fourth exercise. This is the last exercise. That portion has been deduced for you people. So deducted portion, you have only this exercise. Whatever you have done in indefinite, definite integral, this is the thing. you will get one 7 marks question. You have a provision of making a choice also. So it's up to you to revise this one nicely or to leave this unit in choice. So till now we have completed 2 units. Next unit in the next video we will start that.